Check it out. You want to see a shocker? I'm sitting excuse me, I'm sorry. I'm sitting in a driveway in the area of Fenton, Linden. Those are two different towns next door to each other, Michigan. Fenton and Linden, Michigan. I'm here to feed a kitty cat because she's been alone all day while Mama's out of town. And I can't abide by that, so Uncle Grandpa's here to feed Charlotte. For the last 15 minutes while driving here, I let my radio scan the AM band. Probably the last 10 minutes. And I'm here, I shut the truck off thinking, well, I'm in motion and you've got an engine and all the computers and blah, blah, blah. Well, I arrived here and I turned the radio back on. Really? Are the numbers dwindling that far, that much? The last bastion of AM radio. Sports talk, religion, and conservative talk. There was one conservative talk station and it's gone. Yeah, I wonder where that went, Uncle Joe. There was an FM conservative talk station, the one I normally listen to. Set out to come down here today. It's gone. Again, wonder where he went. And, did they get bought out and crushed because of the upcoming election? Who knows? Not that I'm a conspiracy theorist. I can't speak. But, are the number of us aging baby boomers dwindling down to such a low number that it's not economically, doesn't warrant having a flea power AM station even? We've got an AM station in Flint, Michigan, and I can literally, as a ham, run more transmitter output power than that station. I think it runs 1,500 watts day, 800 night AM. In religion, have so many people lost their religion that religion, the business of, has religion given up on AM radio? Is it no longer economically warranted to put a 1 kilowatt station on the air? Oh my God. Oh my God. Ooh. And I was worried about the number of CW ops dwindling away. That's to be expected. That'll bottom out at a certain minimum level. I'm sure it'll never go away completely. Not ever. As people still love to listen to analog phonograph records, so do people of the melody of CW and the romance of it. But hey, I'm radio. Oh no. Time to go feed Charlotte. I hope you're well. Sorry for the fuzzy 73.